All right, welcome to this top floor. So fourth floor, one bedroom, right in the heart of Allston. Okay, that's the door, front entrance right there. Not to the building, but to the unit. Sliding door, closets, coat closet as soon as you walk in. Really good size. We have another closet right here just for safe measure. Actually, this third closet right here is for the safe measure. More places to hang all of your coats. And then some. Opens up to this super spacious living room with some really nice bay windows. Overlooking one of the main streets here. That way is Harvard Avenue. That way is Packards Corner. All right, you're right, nestled right in between those two streets, which you'll find tons of amenities, lots of shops, banks, cafes, restaurants, bars, everything. As you can see, they are updating this kitchen. New cabinets, retiling some of the backsplash. This oven stove looks like it might be getting a deep clean. Well, if not getting a deep clean, then definitely getting replaced. So that should look really nice when it's done. Let's go over into the bedroom. Decent sized bedroom. Lots of sunlight, tons of sunlight coming in, pouring in. Another closet right here in the corner. So again, just more views of the front of this main street right here. Then we have the bathroom. Pretty simple, toilet, sink, tub, shower, combo, vanity. A very yellow bathroom for you. Okay, there's laundry down in the basement. I believe it's coin operated. There's an elevator and a great price. Heat and hot water included. If you have any other questions, please reach out to Angel over at Leopold McMaster's Realty. If you have any other questions, all right? Have a good one. Hope you enjoyed it.